How to display tags in your product page in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, we will need to actually set up some tags on our products in order for them to show. So here we have this product here, for example, we have shirts, color, blue. So you could just add any tag that you like. And obviously why this is useful is because from the product page, if they click on any tag, they're just going to get all the different products within that tag or that actually have that tag. So let's just go and get started. I'm just going to click on online store and click on edit theme. Then we can simply just go to the default product page. So you can just click on any product here. And now in order for us to actually add the tags, we simply just want to click on product information, the arrow next to it. And we simply just want to click on add block beneath the details section. From here, we should be able to find custom liquid. So you can just click on show all and you should be able to find it right away. So let's just find custom liquid. There you go. Click on that. And now it's just going to be your chance to go down to the description and copy the code, which you should be able to find in the description, and basically just paste it in here. As you can see here, we have now the tags visible for us. What we can also do is just move it around. So if you just wanted to move it up or down, it's completely up to you. And we can just go ahead and click on save. So as we can see here, for the blue one, we have the tags blue, color, shirts. If we click on the red one, it's going to have different tags here, color, red, shirts, but this time red. So as you can see now, it's going to be different for each product. But yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.